Hello everyone, this video is still under histograms. They're mainly concentrating on slides 5 and 6. So if you're struggling with slides 5 and 6, take notes on this video and you'll be good to go. Both of the examples they're testing you on critical thinking. The thing that I decided to do on this, I decided to erase the answer choices on these questions. But it should not make a difference as the concept is one of the easiest ones in 6th grade. So here we go on example number 1. You see the histogram in there. It's talking about the number of students using social media. So the two questions that I came up with is how many students were surveyed. Well, in order to figure that answer out, you pretty much have to count the number of students. So you got to look at the frequency, the number of students. You're not looking for the number of minutes, you're looking for the number of students. So that will be figured out by looking at the frequency going up and down vertically. So if we figure out the first bar, it says that it goes all the way to 8, so that represents 8. The second one goes all the way to 6, so that represents 6. The third one represents 4, and the last one represents 6. So as you can see, those are all the number of students that were surveyed. So 8 students, 6 students, that's 14, 4 students, so that's 18, plus 6, that will be 24 students. So how many students were surveyed? Well, the answer is 24 students. All you have to do is go up on frequency and count what's the value of each bar, and you combine them. It's 24. Question 2 on that first example, how many students use social media for more than 10 minutes? More than 10 minutes. So anything that is more than 10 minutes. Here's the number of minutes going side to side. So we start with 11 since that's the first number that it's more than 10. So from 11 going all the way up. So we count 6, we count 4, and we count 6. So if we combine 6 plus 4, that will be 10, and 10 plus 6, that will be 16. So how many students use social media for more than 10 minutes? The answer will be 16. Very simple. Okay, going down to the second example, I decided to do a little true or false and created 2 questions that are going to be answered as true or false by looking at the histogram. This question, I decided to do it on packages for delivery and how much or how many pounds each one represents. So the first question says 5 of the packages weighed less than 20 pounds. So we look for the pounds. Here we go, side to side. And we're looking for anything that is less than 20 pounds. And they're saying that 5 of the packages are less than 20. So anything less than 20 is 19 and below. So from 10 to 19, that's 2. And from 0 to 9 pounds is 3. So 2 plus 3, that will give you 5. So 5 packages weigh less than 20 pounds. That is correct. That is true. So letter A, we'll just write it under true because it is true. For B, a total of 14 packages were delivered. 14. A total of 14 packages were delivered. Well, all we got to do is count the bars again. So the first one will be 3, as is between 2 and 4. So I'm running out of ink on this marker. 3. The second one represents 2. The third one represents 4. The next one represents 2. And the last one represents 2 as well. So now if I combine all of them, that should give me my answer. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. And 11 plus 2 will give me 13. 13. Well, the question said a total of 14 packages were delivered. That is incorrect. We just counted and figure out it was 13 packages. So B will be under false. So that's what you would do on your assignment. Nothing hard, very basic. All you gotta do is pay attention to detail. They'll analyze the histograms. All right, thank you.